Hello everyone. In this video we will see the existence conditions of Laplace transform, because it may happen that for some functions Laplace transform may not exist. So what are the conditions under which Laplace transform exists? The condition is that if the function is piecewise continuous in every finite interval and is of exponential order, then only its Laplace transform exists. Now what do we mean by a function of exponential order? A function is said to be of exponential order if absolute value of ft is less than m into e raised to the power kt, where m is a real constant and k is a constant. To test whether a function is of exponential order, we can find the limit t tends to 0 mod of ft divided by e raised to the power kt. If this limit tends to 0 to some finite value, then it should be of exponential order. Now what do we mean by piecewise continuous function? A function is said to be piecewise continuous in an interval ab if the interval can be divided into finite number of subintervals, and in each of these intervals the function ft is continuous and has finite right hand and left hand limit. For example, ft is equal to x square in the interval 0, 1, and if ft is equal to 1 by 2 in the interval 1, 2. Here in this interval 0, 1, this is the graph of ft, and in the interval 1, 2, ft is constant. So it is not continuous at this point 1, but in the interval 0, 1 and separately in the interval 1, 2, this is continuous. So this is the example of a piecewise continuous function. Now here are some examples. For example, Laplace transform t raised to the power minus 1 by 2. This value is infinite at t is equal to 0, but its Laplace transform exists. Another example is that when ft is equal to e raised to the power t square, this function is not of exponential order, because no matter how large we choose m and k, e raised to the power t square is always greater than m into e raised to the power kt. So this was all about existence of Laplace transform. Thank you.